Hi, everybody. This is Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. I have Happy Mail. Yay! And it's from Dawn Aaron, Loving Hands Creations. But first, I had a Timu order, and I wanted to show you what I got in my Timu order. It was pretty much I got service dog stuff because I really wanted to get stuff from my house. So I got a sign from my house, and it says a service dog lives here. Dog may not be vested because I don't vest Gus when he's at home, so he's just like a regular dog if you come in. In an emergency, do not separate dog from handler. And that's really important because he's my anchor. And if something's going on, I'm going to be really stressed and out of it, and I'm going to rely on him. I'm going to need him. So you can't separate him from me if there's like a fire or something. Um, what else did I get? Where did I put them? Oh, I got a couple of patches for his harness, for his working dog vest. I got no touch, no talk, no eye contact. Because you wouldn't believe how many people want to talk to him when he's working. But he's a good dog because he just kind of looks at them and walks and doesn't walk away. He looks at them and he turns away. He's not interested in other people when he's working. He's really focused. He's good like that. And this one, stop, ignore me, I'm working. I thought that one was really cute. So I'll be putting these on his harness. And now, oh, and I also got this dream catcher kit because it had a whole bunch of crystals in it that I wanted to get, and it was cheaper than buying the crystals separately, honestly. So you get a bag of crystals. Um, I haven't really opened this kit yet, so let's see what's in it. There's some round crystals and some uh, drop crystals, and ooh, some pretty ones. And yeah, iridescent. So gonna make some dream catchers. I was actually hoping it had hoops, but I'll have to put hoops myself. And then there's a whole bunch of charms and stuff. I haven't really gone through them, but there's a whole bunch of charms. There's some chains, and there's another set of pliers. Like I need another set of pliers. And then what is this? What is this? This is I don't know what this is. I haven't, like I said, I haven't opened it up. Oh, steps to make suncatcher hanging suncatcher kits. Okay, so it comes with instructions, which are cool. I'll probably take a look at them and then toss it away because I do that with instructions. Gus, sorry, Gussie's here and he's why you moved. Go sit, sit. He likes to sniff everything. He's a very curious dog, and I usually um, encourage that because that's how he learns about the world. But I'm kind of busy right now. I don't know what this is. This is maybe worksheet? I don't know. It's just paper. Maybe they just put it in there to make everything not move, pack everything down. So yeah, that's my Dreamcatcher kit I got from Timu. I'm quite happy with it for what I paid for it. So got lots of crystals, and it's cheaper than buying the crystals separately. And I didn't have any crystals, so yay! Now on to the happy mail from Dawn. Look at this taping. Look at this. Dawn, how do you expect anybody to get into your packages? I understand you do it so everybody knows if somebody gets into your packages. I know that. But girl, you make it hard for us. well wrapped is well loved, I guess, sent with love. She doesn't want anything to happen to her package, and I can understand that. I just have little scissors like this. So I'm being very careful. I'm not really cutting. I'm more putting them in and then ripping up because I don't use tools properly. Why would I do that? Ooh, there we go. Am I in? I don't know if I'm in yet. Nope. So, Dawn, how's your family? Thank you for this package. I'm going to love anything that you sent because I love everything you make. Absolutely everything. But round to it. Gotta do round to it, Dawn. Oh, okay. Hey, we're in there. Okay, let's bring everything out. Aha, individually wrapped. Okay. Pretty things inside. Look at that. Pretty things inside, and yes, it will be pretty. Absolutely will be gorgeous. Because I know Dawn. Dawn's my friend. Oh, oh. She did my color scheme, and she did it in 4 weight, 180 yards, 100% cotton. That's what I was looking for. Look at that purple. Sorry, wrong end. Purple. Let's look at the other one. Do 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 do. Trying to rip it where the sticker is, but I'm having troubles. Oh, hubby wants to watch TV, so I better hurry up with this video. Oh, and I got a stitch marker. Oh, that's a pretty stitch marker. Look at that stitch marker. My camera isn't showing up the colors very well, and I'm not showing it very, very well because I'm an idiot. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? Dawn makes such pretty stitch markers, and I love my yarn. Look at that. Look at that. Those are the colors of my channel. Black, blue, and purple. Dawn, thank you so much. That's what I got from Dawn. I got 2 hanks of medium for 100% cotton and hand dyed in the color Trish. Because that's what she has written down. Color Trish. See? That's Trish. This is me. See, you can see the resemblance. Oh, I didn't notice this. I got 2 stitch markers. Oh, there's the other one. It was hiding under the label. I'm sorry, Dawn. Look at that stitch marker. That's beautiful. I love the little mushroom. Dawn, that's beautiful. So yeah, there's my happy mail. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And thank you for watching. And get out there, because I went out there. I walked to the mailbox all by myself with my dog. Okay, not all by myself. Gessie and I went for a walk, went to the mailbox. So first time in 2 weeks I left the house kind of thing. I think it's been about 2 weeks, week and a half. It's been a while especially since I walked to the mailbox. So it was good to get out. It was chilly, but it's not too cold, so it was okay. And I enjoyed the walk. I had to stop 2 times. Once on the way there to catch my breath, and once on the way back to catch my breath. And other than that, I was fine. So yeah, walking good. Just gotta do it more often. Getting out of the house is hard. Yeah, but it's pretty here and I like it. So anyway, happy New Year's, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again sometime. Bye.